So I'm here with Alan Gongora. He has been or is still our lawyer where we did the visa with, and he now offers more or less new tax service. So what is the new tax service all about?
Basically, for a lot of foreigners who come to Colombia, they don't understand the local tax statutes, the local tax culture. We provide full-fledged services for them, both on the personal as well as business side. And we try to do it affordably and in English, which is important for a lot of foreigners. And I think so far people are very happy.
Cool. So you do private. So if I'm a US citizen, or I am Swiss citizen, and are here in Colombia, most probably I'm going to be tax eligible after 183 days. Is that correct?
Yeah, the rules aren't super complex. The way I would see it is this. Number one, are you in Colombia more than 183 days within a 12-month period? Not calendar. It's basically going backwards 12 months. The year that you reach that limit and exceed it, you become a tax resident. So in that year, you technically are a tax resident and then have to determine whether you have to actually file taxes or not. Step two, do you have to file? Colombia has certain thresholds, whether it's income thresholds, asset thresholds. If you exceed those thresholds, at that point you do have to file. And then the third and most important thing for a lot of people is, okay, we have to file, but do I have to pay anything? And that's just an analysis the accountant will have to kind of put together.
Okay, so you're helping with that kind of analysis of do I have to pay or file taxes?
Yep.
And then if they have, you provide the whole
That's right.
back end.
That's right.
Yeah. Okay.
The idea is to provide something in English so that foreigners are much more comfortable, where customer service is prioritized, because not everything in Colombia is done well, and in a way that's affordable, so that people can actually do what they need to do, and they don't feel that they're being fleeced.
Okay. So. Cool. So yeah, we are already worked with Alan on taxes. So and it was everything was on point, punctual. If the emails get replied in an amazing speed or amazing fashion, especially here for Colombia. So that's why we now work with him on the tax service as well. And we found the same thing with the tax service. So the people that handle it in the back end are really punctual, perfect. It is organized. We tried out different services already, but it's just, nothing beats the services of Alan. So if you want to have a reliable tax person which knows exactly what he's talking about, then contact Alan. There are more details in the description down below.